Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use the screen time management feature on TikTok. This feature helps users to control how long they spend on TikTok each day. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Go to your TikTok profile page and press on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down until you see the Digital Wellbeing section. Tap to open it. Choose the Screen Time Management option. Hit Time Limit and decide how much time you want to spend on TikTok per day. Once the screen time limit is selected, go back, click on the Turn on Screen Time Management button in order to enable this feature. Now you have to set a password. Confirm your password. That's it. If you reach your screen time limit, TikTok will ask you to enter a password in order to continue to use the app. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use the screen time management feature on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.